I want to show you how I install diagonal seam tape on the bed of my machine. This makes sure I get really accurate straight seams on my quilt blocks. And be careful about getting knockoffs because it may leave a residue on your machine. So what you're going to need is, of course, the diagonal seam tape from Cluck, Cluck, Sew. I like to have a ruler of some sort that's got a line on it, of course, for a 90 degrees. And then you're going to need a straight edge for cutting. Now, the red line goes in direct line with the needle. And so I'll pull a big long piece of it and put it like this underneath and then just place it. And you can move this around so that it's right. And I can tell that I'm way off here. This is why I don't like the eyeballing method to get it straight, because sometimes my eyeballs don't work all that great. So you can lower the needle and get it so that it's right on. Okay, the needle is right in the middle of the red line now, and I want to make sure that this part down here is straight so that I'm approaching the needle. The red line on approach is straight, and I'm going to put the edge of the ruler right here on the edge of the tape, and I'm going to take this line right here. It's just the 3.5, it doesn't matter, but I'm going to line that up straight with this line where the quilt table matches up to the machine bed, and I'm just going to line this up real straight just like this. Now this, if you can eyeball this, and this is pretty accurate. So there we go, that's right. I like to bring it down past the edge of the quilting table, and I'll just trim it off like this and kind of just tuck it up underneath, and that's fine. And then you're going to take the straight edge. I'm going to cut it right here so that the quilt table can be removed as needed. And I'm going to take my little ruler, and I can see the feed dogs. So I'm going to line up the edge straight with that and just cut this right there. If you have a bobbin, if you have a drop-in bobbin, you'll want to cut it so you can get your bobbin cover off. And there we go. It's nice and straight, and I know that it is lined up where it needs to be for me to be able to get straight seams on my quilt blocks. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and go sew something. Bye.